everybody, welcome to Life of Sunny Lea with Kathy Jarvis. And it's been another busy week. It seems like we're always busy. We've had to make 3 trips, Sunday, Tuesday, Friday, Saturday. We made 4 trips to Indianapolis this week. And we had to miss church on Sunday because of it. But we did manage to get back in time for the Green reunion. Did not take any pictures because I was rushing around all day and actually just sat down and enjoyed myself and forgot to take pictures. So I didn't get any pictures of the reunion, but we had a good time. Nice turnout. Monday I went grocery shopping and got the stuff that I needed to cook more because we're cooking more at home now with 3 people here instead of 2. It's more economical to actually cook at home than it was before. So we've been cooking more at home, so I had to get groceries for that. Tuesday, my husband had a class all day, and we had to make a trip to Indy. So I really didn't get much done. I should have gotten a lot done, but I just didn't get much done that day. We did manage to get this porch cleaned off. We moved the other picnic table outside. And I put my little table here and chairs. I put them up, and I put the other picnic table here. So the porch is now usable again, and one of my favorite spots to have morning coffee or just to sit and relax after working in the garden is this little spot right here. It's shaded, it's got a nice little breeze, and it's just got a lot of good memories. Shoes and I spent a lot of time on this porch, so I really enjoy being back on this porch again. Then we also had time to weed the tomato patch and trim up the tomatoes. The tomato trellis, they're doing really well. Got little tomatoes on, got a couple ripe tomatoes on the 42-day tomatoes. Harvested lettuce and harvested radishes, turnips, and sweet peppers out of the greenhouses. We got that done this week. Just enough to eat, not enough to actually start freezing or anything yet. So we got that done. Monday we went and, not Monday, but Wednesday, I got pictures of the puppies sent to me from the breeder. So we'll keep looking at those and seeing one of the 5 puppies will be ours. We just don't know which one yet. So looking forward to getting more pictures. Every 2 weeks he's going to be sending pictures of the puppies to us to support, so we can see their development and how they're growing. So looking forward to that. And let's see what else. I got the new cat crate, but I have not put it together yet. Have not done anything in the basement yet. Worked on the old bathroom, cleaning out some of it. Have not really gotten a good head start on that yet because of having to make all the trips to Indianapolis and doing the things out here. Doing priorities. It always comes down to priorities. The tomatoes and the garden, the greenhouses have to be watered, and the tomatoes have to be pruned and trained up right, and so do the cucumbers. So you have to do that at least once a week. At least once every 2 weeks. I kind of rotate, do cucumbers 1 week and tomatoes the other. Unless it's like this week where we've had a lot of rain, which means you have to get out there and get both of them done because they have grown like crazy. So I've been working in the greenhouse, rearranging the porches and getting stuff organized out here, cutting grass, mowing grass, and going to family reunions and going to a graduation party on Saturday night. We went there. So it's been quite busy, and we've gotten a lot done, even though we've had to do a lot of running. But it's part of life. So hopefully this week will calm down. Haven't got anything on the schedule yet, except for one thing. And of course, I didn't have anything but one thing on the schedule last week either, and look what happened. So, like I say, you never know around here what's going on. So, hopefully you'll have a good week, and like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.